Hip-hop artist Mukudzei Modecay Chitsama, widely known to fans as Holy 10, was taken into police custody following extremely serious criminal allegations, according to official updates released by the Zimbabwean Republic Police. The prominent 27-year-old rapper was apprehended following an alleged incident in Harare. To put the situation into context, Holy 10 built his reputation as one of the defining voices of contemporary Zim hip-hop, topping charts and collaborating with major names across the region. Yet alongside his success, his journey in the public eye has been marked by continuous personal friction. He has openly used his music to chronicle his battles with substance abuse, candidly sharing his experience with rehabilitation and his ongoing struggle with addiction. That turbulence has frequently spilled over into personal life, keeping him in the headlines well beyond his musical catalogue. Although he married Kimberly Richards in 2023, his life as a married man has been shadowed by constant public scrutiny, swirling rumors of infidelity, and a series of high-profile, complex relationships with multiple women. Adding an unsettling layer to these developments is how recently he addressed this exact subject matter in his artistic output. Just a month before his arrest, Holy 10 released content where he openly discussed the realities of prison and spoke on issues surrounding rape cases involving 14-year-old girls. Take a look at this brief clip from that video.
But let's know where kuzokurangaridza kuti kuchikurubi kune madhara ari mukati, over the issues of 14-year-olds, over the issues of not asking, into the issues of age of consent. Munoreruka baba, nasi muchamwa maHeineken, nasi muchamwa maHenessy. I don't know what you're going to do out there. Ini ndichange ndichimaka ma-assignments.
What makes those comments so stark in the heavy irony when viewed alongside the fact that just 4 weeks later he found himself arrested on those exact same allegations? The complaint in this legal matter is a 14-year-old girl who had recently returned to Zimbabwe from South Africa. When we examine what actually transpired, police confirmed that the musician was arrested over allegations of rape following a formal criminal complaint. The matter was officially brought to the law enforcement after the victim disclosed the alleged assault to a relative shortly after it occurred. Looking at when these events took place, the alleged incident occurred on Monday, July 20, 2026. The story broke publicly the following day, Tuesday, July 21, when police spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyati officially confirmed that the artist had been taken into custody. As for where the sequence of events unfolded, reports indicate that the initial meeting took place around a studio area in Avondale, Harare. However, police reports state that the alleged crime itself took place inside a bedroom at a residential property located in the Hatfield suburb of Harare. Understanding why the meeting occurred in the first place brings us to the underlying premise of their interaction. Reports claim that contact was established under the guise of a professional opportunity, specifically an invitation for the 14-year-old minor to participate or feature in an upcoming music video. Initial reports reveal that she was not alone when she first went to meet the artist. She was accompanied by a female friend when they initially arrived in Avondale around 3 p.m. to wait for him. However, reports claim her friend eventually departed around 6 p.m., leaving the teenager alone with the artist before they traveled together to Hatfield. When we consider which platform facilitated this connection, investigations show that social media channels were allegedly used as the primary mode of direct communication, where initial contact was established and the logistics of the meeting were arranged. Finally, we look at how the alleged crime occurred. According to police reports, investigations state that after arriving at the residence in Hatfield, the artist allegedly took the minor into a bedroom and locked the door from the inside. Reports claim he issued verbal threats before committing the alleged assault. Following the incident, reports claim he hired a taxi for her to return home, where she immediately reported what had transpired to her aunt, leading directly to police involvement. When analyzing cases involving public figures and severe criminal charges, two critical principles must be kept in mind: the fundamental presumption of innocence in a court of law, and the absolute duty of society and law enforcement to protect minors. This case brings to light serious concerns regarding power dynamics and interactions between influential public figures and young individuals on social media. Opportunities that appear to offer creative and career exposure require strict safety protocols, formal management channels, and legal oversight. Furthermore, while social media commentary and public opinion move quickly, law enforcement authorities emphasize that thorough investigations must take their full course. Beyond the courtroom, this case serves as an unmistakable warning to men, especially those in positions of influence, public visibility, or industry authority, relying on social media interactions or assuming someone's age based on appearance, maturity, or online presence is a catastrophic error. Men must take strict proactive responsibility to verify the age and identity of young people before inviting them into private spaces or professional arrangements. When dealing with minors, there is zero room for ambiguity, reckless behavior, or legal ignorance. If you are facilitating potential industry work, everything must go through verified adult representation, formal guardians, and established legal channels. Failing to do so carries a devastating legal consequences. Additionally, this situation highlights broader commentary on personal accountability and lifestyle choices. For married men, maintaining boundaries is not just a personal virtue, it is a critical safeguard against situations that exploit power imbalances. The constant interplay of fame, infidelity rumors, and unmonitored private encounters creates environments where harm occurs and lives are altered forever. Public status does not grant immunity from ethical, marital, or legal responsibilities. Looking at the up-to-date status of where Holy 10 is right now, updates confirm that on Wednesday, July 22, Mukudzei Chitsama was granted bail of $500 by the magistrate's court, meaning he is currently out on bail as legal proceedings move forward. Standard bail conditions have been set while the police and prosecution continue building the docket for trial. Authorities emphasize that the case remains fully active and further updates will emerge as formal court appearances proceed. This developing story raises crucial questions about safety, accountability, and the protection of young people in an era dominated by social media and online talent scouting. I want to turn this over to you for your thoughts. How can parents, communities, and industry insiders better protect young individuals from potential risks associated with social media contact and unverified industry opportunities. Please share your thoughts respectfully in the comments below. Keep in mind that the proceedings are active. The link is in my bio. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.